Peace, everybody. It's your boy June, back at it with another video, getting to a TV. It's been a while. It's good to be back. Hope everybody been all right. Had to make a video today. Big Cop Saturday. You know what it was today. The Shattered Backboard 3.0. I always love the first two, especially the black toe one. I think it was 1.0. You know, those was like $800. I'm not buying those. So when this came out, I jumped on them. Thanks to my plug, V. She hooked me up. You know what I'm saying? And I was able to get these. Matter of fact, y'all, I got two pairs. I got one for me and one for the missus. You know what I mean? Grade school, 5Y. And that nice. I couldn't get the 12, so I went for the 11 and a half. You know what I'm saying? Nice big 11 and a half. Let's see what these joints is about. Regular box, regular paper. Let's take the insoles out. Give y'all guys a nice look at these. They feel different. They real different. I don't know what type of material this is. I know it's not patent leather. It feels crazy. When I first saw the pictures of these, I'm not gonna lie, I ain't like the bottom at all. See that, like that little sail bottom, whatever it is. Let's check them out. Whoa. These joints shining. Nice little black. Orange on the insole. Perfect Halloween vibes, right? Y'all already know. Check out that leather, it's crazy, right? Shiny. So shiny. See that? I like them overall though. Black and orange was something I had to get. I love the shattered backboards. Just a quick review today. I was kind of busy. Sorry for the late video, y'all. Do me a favor and drop a comment though and tell me how y'all feeling these. I like them in hand better than I like them in picture. I'm not gonna lie. Big black right there. You know what I'm saying? Drop a like under the video. Tell somebody to subscribe. This is the Jordan 1 3.0 Shattered Backboard. I was telling my homegirl today, she like, yeah, June, every time, this all you want is ones, like, you don't buy nothing else? Not really. I'm an avid Jordan 1 lover. I just love the silhouette. It brings back a lot of memories of my uncle back in the days in the Bronx in New York City. Used to have the Jordan posters up. And I just love this shoe ever since I started copping them a couple years ago. I can't stop. I don't think I will either. The Jordan 1 High OG Shattered Backboard 3.0. I think it's a good cop. I got wifey's here too. She got the, you know what I mean? She got the grade school, small foot. Not a lot of differences, I say. She didn't get the Jumpman on the bag though. She didn't get the Jumpman on the bag. Got these from Jimmy Jazz today. Nice joints, huh? I like them. I'm not gonna lie, I like them. I think it's the colorway more than anything. She got the size 5. I'm not even gonna mess with her joints like that. She's funny about her sneakers. But yeah, y'all, just a quick vid today, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to keep this every time I cop. I'm gonna make a video. Follow me on Instagram, same name, Get Into It TV. You know what I'm saying? Gonna put this out tonight, so it's October 26th. You guys will see this. And like I said, tell a friend. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Go ahead and smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And on that note, we out of here. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. I do a thing called What I Want. Peace.